Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's out with the old and in with the new. And that's being hosted by Penny from Penny's Lifestyle Living. Now I'm going to be linking the host down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, to see what everybody did with Out with the Old and In with the New. Now I have this corner here I don't really pay any attention to. And for right now, what I need to do is just clean out this area and place everything back until I figure out how I'm going to decorate this area. So that's what we're doing in this corner, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So as you can see, it is baseball cap day, which means I have done nothing with my hair, so under a cap it goes. So what's most important here is just the cleaning. Now make sure you click that like button and full watch the video because this helps me to grow. And then comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and catch up with cleaning this area, and then I'll be back with you guys. So for right now, at least everything is clean. I did put everything back and it looks a little bit, crowded. So I do have to figure out what I'm going to do as far as decorating goes, but at least it's clean, guys. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. Do you guys see? I have like 5 lanterns. I don't know what to do with these things. Have an amazing day, guys.